Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a web app with just making use of a URL. And recently I came across with a website called autoshots.ai where it creates faceless videos on autopilot. Now when I scroll a bit down and I've seen with the pricing, okay, it shows nearly around $69 per month, okay, and there are quite few credits we can make use of. Now I'm going to just make use of this URL and try to create a brand new software from that, and I'm going to make use of a software which I personally created. And guys, if you like to know how I created this, each and everything, documentation to the complete software, each and everything, you can get it from me. For that purpose, you need to check out the link in the description. Okay, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And also, if you are interested, you can join my community so that you can get this exact blueprint and you can make use of it. Now let me show you how does it work. Now here I just have an idea of what I'm going to create, but I cannot give explanation in depth to my system, right? So what I do, I click on create your first project. So here there are two different variation. First is AI suggest an idea, and second is I already have an idea. So I already have an idea, but I cannot write in depth about that product. Okay, but what I do now is I'll just copy the URL over here and click on validate my idea. So this exact same blueprint and exact same navigation, you are going to get it if you join my community. Cool. First link in the description. Now here you can see autofill from content. Okay, I'm going to click on use autofill, and here there is a website URL section. I'm going to paste the URL and click on scrape URL. So it's going to extract product details and also read content, identify the things what, see the product name autoshots.ai. So it's autoshots.ai. I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, I'll just put some random name over here, and here you can see one-liner description. Click on next. Who exactly is your customer? It automatically filled everything. What pain are they experiencing? Automatically it uploaded the content, and what do they currently use instead? And click on next. And what outcomes do you promise? And why you and why now? Okay, click next. So everything automatically got uploaded. So if you have any other points you need to add, just click inside the edit box and type it, so you can easily add your own intentions over here. Okay, and click on validate this idea. So before proceeding, it is also going to validate your idea. So it is going to give you a score. So according to that score, you can move forward or you can leave it there itself. So right now the validation score is 85, which is pretty good to get started. Okay, anything below 65 is very difficult to get ranked and oversaturated kind of applications, but 85, it's very good to get started right now. So I'll be clicking on continue to build. Okay, and here you can see short description, the problem, the solution. Second is product strategy. Everything you are going to get over here. You need to check if there is anything you like to add, you can add it. And there is another option called pick different idea. If you're not interested, you can directly go from here, but we already have an idea, right? So we are going to click on start this project now. And now here you can see 85 is the project score. This is the overview, and it's asking us the pricing strategy. So this app we are making it for ourselves, so I don't like to have okay, let's keep it simple. Let's see how it would be generating. Now here is the market analysis. So you are going to get the signals, buzz, defensive strategy, as well as how much you are going to earn, and go to market snapshot. Okay, with that you will be also having opportunity breakdown. You can see quick win. It's very difficult to rank right now. Why? Because there are a lot many softwares in the same category. Competition is very high. That's the reason thumb is literally low. Now I will be clicking on customize. So I don't need any price options over here. I'm going to delete it. Now you can see futures, nice to have. There is another few futures where you can check it. Okay, so I don't need this option, so I will be unchecking it, and these are should have and must have. Okay, now I'll be clicking on build. So within a second or two, you are going to get a master prompt, guys. The first option is paid option, where you are going to make use of Lovable. Just you need to copy this master prompt, copy, go and paste it on Lovable. Okay, lovable.dev. So the process and exact structure you can get it from me once you start getting registered to my free masterclass from the first link in the description. Okay, and you are going to get invited to my community. Why? Because you know guys, I am actually going to launch this exact process and exact system on Digistore24, which is one of the greatest affiliate platforms over there in the market, and I'm going to sell it for $49. Okay, but right now as an early bird, you're going to get it for absolutely very low price. So you can go and check with the pricing from there after you watch the free masterclass. Now I'll be copy pasting the mega prompt over here and paste it over here and click on enter. Your application will be ready. Okay, this is a paid platform actually, so I'm not going to waste my credits. And there is another option which is free platform. Now I'm going to copy AI Studio link. Okay, Google AI Studio link, and I go to Google AI Studio, just search Google AI Studio, open the first link and directly paste the prompt over here and click on build. Okay, so what happens, within 5 minutes or 10 minutes it would be creating the application for you. Okay, so I'll be waiting for 5 or 10 minutes and be back how it got generated. Okay, alright, so after 5 minutes you can see this is how my application looks. So it's asking me to get started, so I'll be entering my name, work email and password. So once I click on sign in, this is how it looks. Okay, I'm going to enter my password and click on sign in, and this is a random dashboard, and this dashboard can be edited. Why? Because this is just for our training purpose and for our like testing purpose. So now here you can see create video is an option, and guys you can even add more options to it. So whatever the information this particular system read on the URL of which we have entered, only according to that it has created me this application, guys. Okay, so you can even add more information if you build it manually by typing the information which I've shown you previous. Okay, now I'm going to click on create video, and here you can see there are some 5-6 different kinds of niches and category and additional instructions. So I'm going to just test it. You can even add more categories and more niches over here. Now I'm going to click on generate script. So automatically what does it do? It is going to generate script for you. Why? Because we are running it on Google ecosystem, so it would be very easy for us to do things. Okay, now the script is generated, and here you can also integrate other third-party applications like 11 Labs. Okay, for users you can do Midjourney, and captions you can do any other third-party application available. Okay, you can directly integrate their APIs. So with the help of Google AI Studio you can do that. So right now I'm just making use of free things, so I'm going with Adam Deep, and I'm going to click on start rendering process. So it would be taking like 2 to 3 minutes of time to render your video, and done. Your YouTube short video and reel is ready. Okay, just you need to click on this play button. Okay, it's going to play in the backend. Cool, right? All right, so this is how it works, guys. I hope you understand, and this is the exact system what I personally use. Okay, the thing what you are seeing over here, this is the exact system what I personally use to create softwares. Okay, I don't have any coding knowledge, I don't have any experience in creating applications. Just by making use of my intention, my idea, I've created this application for myself so that I can create unlimited softwares from there and sell it in the market or use it for my own purpose or my own business. So if you like to know the exact same strategy how I've done it, you can please get registered to my free masterclass from the link in the description down below. Watch the free masterclass and get into the community, guys. Why? Because I'm selling this exact software on Digistore24 for $49, which I'm going to do it really soon. Okay, you can see here, but right now as a fast start bonus you're going to get it for a very low price. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Please do subscribe. Have a great day.